A little bit discontented. I also think, you know, and you alluded to it very early on, Martin. Eden Hazard is a natural not given.
Hazard still weaving his magic. And coming round the back.
Zappacosta nearly gets him round the back post. Lovely floated ball. Absolutely. Thought there was suspicion offside. Probably right. Lovely tricks and turns. He didn't say a wonderful ball. Just leaves it in an area. I don't think
Costa. He fronted up Francis. Daniels. Putting his right foot here.
Very comfortably dealt.
Driven in. Just bouncing in front of Courtois. Not always easy for the goalkeeper. There's contact. Back for Hazard. Ake struggling. Behind Pedro. And Ryan Fraser, who is a winger by trade, there's been a push. Now Wilson skipped away from Christensen. And in the end, setting up nicely up front. Getting within range, and there is a shot on target.
More cut, it may have flown into that top corner. He's a big man in goal, Courtois. What I love about him, he makes everything look very in. Maybe should have released someone else here. Very good, lovely feint, hits it really well.
For Bournemouth, from Jordan Ibe. Now just in front of him. Very close.
I think, you know, given he's unopposed there, he's a little bit unlucky, got to say, in there and then attacked it. It's a great opportunity. Maybe should do better. Clips
movement into an opening goal, Gary Cahill.
I was just about to say, I don't know whether it was a purposeful, but sort of Chelsea cleared that front to play. Again, good football. Brilliant.
Barkley. Another deflection.
Couldn't play from Hazard. This little flick, the awareness, very good. And Barkley, clever, but good blocking in front.
Yeah.
Well, the best little spell for Chelsea. Initially, a wonderful expect.
Zappacosta. Trying to pick out Alonso.
Leave it, and he chests it down and has the volley, but he's good in the air. Tries to direct it back across the goal. Good ball from Zappacosta on his weaker
position of some danger again to the opposition.
Just thought even there may have been a shout from.
Not everyone in the ground could. It was always going wide, but there he is. There's always the chance. Zappacosta. Francis got the player back on the post now. Alonso lets rip.
Right in the top corner. I don't think he saves it, but you know, fairly big wound. It draws bodies, doesn't really work. Puts two bodies in the way. I think it's Gosling who sort of plays ducks and drakes and tries.
Way too many. Here's Wilson played through by Ibe, and Bournemouth take the lead. They threaten that kind of.
It's not. I've got to say. It's not undeserved. They've threatened once or twice, slightly past from Jordan Ibe. Leaves it in an area. Full fist not. It's Bakayoko poor away. Gives it a little 1-2. You've got to go with them runners. But his pace is blistering.
4 and 6 now in the Premier League. Right, is up. Two ways. Zappacosta likes to let rip from distance. Going to fall for Rudiger.
I mean, Zappacosta hits it, not the best hit, ends up deflecting wide. He can't score from there, but it's a great ball across.
Well, there was no one going in for Chelsea, but Steve Cook wasn't to know that. Wilson can take it on here. He's got Stanislas to work with. They've done it beautifully. Stanislas in for number 2 for Bournemouth.
Little toe poke. Just jabs at it. Clever. Thoroughly deserved. Do better. Not the best piece of goalkeeping. Goes with his knees. Collapses a bit early for me. Not a lot he could do with it. It's Wilson back to Stanislas. He runs away from the back three. No recovery from Aspilicueta.
The 2-0 lead is well merited. The crispness and the punch on the counter got to it. Stanislas might get another shot away here. Put in by Ake. And there's no flag.
On finish from Ake. Just puts a side foot on a little clip.
Nelson here.
I think he takes a clip off. Certainly does off Pedro, but nonetheless, he just puts enough.
Scorer. They call it the curse of the